Austin is home to many, from folks with deep roots in Austin's culture to multi-generational families. With the rapid growth of changing neighborhoods, some homeowners may be feeling pressured. The City of Austin Housing and Planning Department has grant programs that can ease some of the financial stress of owning a home. Whether you need better accessibility in or around your home, have major structural repairs like foundation, roofing, or even electrical issues, these programs may help you stay in your home and make it safer for everyone in your family. You, your neighbors, and your neighborhood are all part of what makes Austin uniquely Austin. Austin is your home. Share this info with your neighbors. Visit austintexas.gov/Austin is my home or call 311 for more information about free home repair, tax relief, and other programs.